Yellow or stained teeth are a very common problem, especially for people who drink coffee, tea, or red wine on a regular basis. Over time, these drinks leave behind pigments that slowly attach to the surface of your teeth, making them look darker or less bright. Many people turn to expensive whitening treatments or store-bought strips, but there is a simple method you can try at home using just two basic ingredients. Start by taking a small container and adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda has a gentle texture that helps polish the surface of the teeth and remove plaque without being overly abrasive. Next, add 3 drops of hydrogen peroxide. It is very important to use a bottle labeled 3% hydrogen peroxide or less. Higher concentrations can be too strong for the mouth and may irritate your gums. Then add about 8 drops of water and mix everything together until it forms a light paste. The baking soda helps scrub away surface stains, while the hydrogen peroxide releases oxygen that helps break apart the molecules that cause discoloration. Once the mixture is ready, dip your toothbrush into the paste and gently brush your teeth for 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure to cover the outer surfaces as well as the inner areas where plaque can accumulate. When you're finished, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Because the peroxide concentration is mild, this method works best when used gradually. Repeating the process 2 or 3 times per week for several weeks can help improve the brightness of your teeth without using harsh whitening treatments. Some people also practice something known as oil pulling to support oral health. This involves taking a small amount of coconut oil and swishing it around in the mouth for about 10 minutes before spitting it out. Coconut oil naturally contains lauric acid, which has antimicrobial properties that may help reduce certain types of bacteria in the mouth. Taking care of your teeth isn't only about appearance. Healthy gums also play an important role in protecting a proper oral hygiene. Another important factor is vitamin C. It helps support collagen in the gums, which keeps the tissue strong and healthy. Maintaining good brushing habits and supporting your gums with proper nutrition can all help keep your smile healthier and brighter over time.